Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add next event calendar widget to your lock screen on iPhone. So it's pretty simple. So first you want to go to your lock screen. You can do that by swiping down from the left side of your screen. Once you swipe down, it is going to show you your home screen or your lock screen. You want to hold on your lock screen. Once you hold on your lock screen, it is going to show you this option. From the bottom, click on customize. Once you click on customize, you want to choose lock screen. Once you choose lock screen, at the top you can see where it says Saturday 6th January and it shows you a little box. You want to click on that box, and over here you can choose calendar. So you can see over here where it says 6th Saturday, I can choose the calendar and it is going to be added at the top. Now since I'm seeing no event, it is not showing me any event over here. So just like this, I replaced my clock with the calendar. And if you want the clock, you can again click on clock and your clock is going to be shown just like that. So whichever option you like, you can choose that and it is going to be set. So if you click on done at the top right, your calendar with the event going to be displayed. So that is basically how you guys can add event calendar widget to your lock screen. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys on my future video.